Hey guys, are you want to buy best foldable drones for travel? Then you are on the right place. Our today's video is about top 5 best foldable drones for travel that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Wipkviey Foldable Drones, this beginner-friendly drone offers an impressive combination of fun and ease of use, making it perfect for first-time pilots. With multiple remote control methods and one-key operating functions, even newcomers can quickly take off and land without hassle. The altitude hold mode allows the drone to hover steadily at a fixed height, ensuring smooth flight and easy control, while fine-tuning buttons help maintain balance when it tilts. Fun features like 360 degrees flips and 3 adjustable speed modes, low, medium, and high, add excitement for both kids and beginners. Gesture selfie functionality brings a new level of interactivity. Show your palm for automatic photos or a fist for video recording, making capturing moments effortless. Safety is a priority with 4 propeller guards and a low battery alert system. The drone comes with 2 rechargeable batteries, offering a combined 24 minutes of flight time. Overall, it's a reliable, entertaining, and easy-to-use drone for all ages. Now our second product is Chubory Foldable Drones. Experience unmatched aerial freedom with this feature-packed drone, offering an extraordinary flight range of 2,650 feet, far surpassing standard models limited to 250 feet. Explore open skies with confidence, capturing stunning landscapes from new perspectives. Powered by resilient alloy brushless motors, this drone is wind-resistant, quiet, and highly responsive. Triple upgraded batteries provide up to 60 minutes of uninterrupted flight, keeping your adventures going longer without frequent recharging. Its 120 degrees 4K HD camera system, featuring switchable front and optical flow lenses, captures vibrant, crystal-clear visuals in real time, perfect for both aerial and ground photography. Designed for all skill levels, the drone includes one-touch start/stop, altitude retention, optical flow alignment, FPV, follow me, path flying, headless mode, flips, speed control, gesture photography, and more, making complex maneuvers simple and enjoyable. Weighing under 249 g, no registration is required, and its foldable design with a portable case ensures effortless travel. Backed by dedicated support, it's ready for every adventure, making it an ideal choice for enthusiasts and beginners alike. Our third product is Hiturbo Foldable Drones. This mini drone is perfect for beginners and hobbyists looking to explore the skies with ease. Equipped with a 1080p adjustable camera, it lets you capture stunning aerial photos and videos, whether looking straight ahead or directly below. Ideal for creative shots, skating videos, or inspecting hard-to-reach areas like rooftops. With 2 rechargeable batteries, each offering around 12 minutes of flight, you can swap them to enjoy up to 24 minutes of continuous fun. Its intuitive controls allow you to fly via remote control or smartphone through the Hiturbo FPV app, unlocking advanced features like voice control, trajectory flight, and real-time video capture. Beginner-friendly features include altitude hold, 3D flips, headless mode, one-key takeoff/landing, and adjustable speed, making learning to fly simple and enjoyable. Quick gyroscope calibration ensures stable flights, and automatic pairing between the drone and remote saves time. Lightweight, easy to operate, and highly versatile, this starter drone turns imagination into thrilling aerial adventures. Now number 4, Loiley Foldable Drones. The Loiley mini drone is a versatile and beginner-friendly aerial companion, perfect for capturing breathtaking moments. Its 2K Ultra HD camera, with a 90 degrees adjustable angle, allows you to take stunning photos and videos of landscapes, family gatherings, or adventures. Real-time FPV transmission to your smartphone ensures you see exactly what the drone sees, making it easy to share your footage instantly on social media. Flying is simple and stable thanks to one-key takeoff/landing, altitude hold, and upgraded optical flow positioning. Headless mode and gravity sensing make steering intuitive. Just tilt the controller to navigate effortlessly. Compact and travel-ready, the drone weighs under 250 g and folds to 5 by 3 by 2 inches, fitting easily in a backpack or pocket. With 2 rechargeable batteries, you get up to 20 minutes of flight, supported by safety features like low-voltage alerts, overcharge protection, propeller guards, and spare blades. The package includes a travel bag, spare parts, and 24/7 support, making it an ideal gift for hobbyists or beginners looking for fun, creative, and safe drone experiences. And our last choice is Blinory Foldable Drones. The Blinory 55 Hong Kong dollars GPS drone is a powerful and beginner-friendly aerial companion, perfect for capturing stunning 2K footage. Equipped with a 90 degrees electrically adjustable camera and 5 GHz real-time FPV transmission, it ensures smooth, stable videos and allows effortless sharing to social media. Shock absorption adds extra stability for crisp shots, whether filming landscapes, sports, or family moments. GPS auto return guarantees worry-free flying, bringing the drone back safely when the signal is lost, out of range, or battery is low. The companion 55 Hong Kong dollars Drone Go app helps locate your drone on a map, ensuring you never lose it. Hands-free creative shooting features like Follow Me, Waypoint Flight, Point of Interest, and Gesture Selfie allow for professional-style filming with minimal effort, with 2 modular batteries providing 32 minutes of flight and powerful brushless motors for quieter, smoother, and longer-lasting performance. The drone excels in all environments. Lightweight, foldable, and FAA exempt at under 250 g, it's perfect for beginners and travel enthusiasts. Blinory provides dedicated support for a worry-free flying experience. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.